Good morning, students. Today I will explain you the concept of important latitudes of Earth by this activity. So, students, first you will take A4 size sheet. Then on the top you will write important latitudes. Now, with the help of compass, you will draw one circle like this. We'll draw one circle. And now, from where you have drawn this, now you will divide the circle into two equal parts. Where we have divided this circle, this line we will consider as equator. Equator lies at 0 degree. Now, with the help of D, we will place this D here from the center. Now, we will take 23.5 degree north and 66.5 degree north in the northern hemisphere. Likewise, in southern hemisphere, we will take 23.5 degree south and 66.5 degree south. So, in the southern hemisphere, we will consider 23.5 degree south as Tropic of Capricorn and 66.5 degree south as Antarctic Circle. 66.5 degree north we will consider Arctic Circle and 23.5 degree north we will consider Tropic of Cancer. So these are the important latitudes. One side we will mention the degrees and other sides we will mention the important latitudes. So students, I think the concept of important latitudes is clear. Now, at your home, you will be having any food grains or thread. So you will take thread. With the help of thread, you will highlight these important latitudes like this. You will paste it with Fevistick or Fevicol like this, or with the help of food grains, with the help of Fevicol, you will paste these food grains on these important latitudes like this. So these important latitudes will be highlighted. So hope you understood this activity. Now, dear students, do this activity at home, because assessment of this activity will be counted in summative assessment. Thank you.